The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas: all of Washington, beginning at 11:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Monday, April 22, 2024. This Amber Alert has been activated by the Washington State Patrol on behalf of the West Richland Police Department. The victim is Roman Huizar, age 1. He is a white male, brown hair, blue eyes, 2 feet tall, and 25 pounds. The suspect is identified as Elias Huizar, age 39. He is a white male, brown hair, brown eyes, 5 feet and 6 inches tall, 170 pounds, and was last seen wearing a black hat, black long sleeve, light blue jeans and black shoes. Elias Huizar is wanted for murdering his ex-wife and girlfriend. They are driving a silver 2009 Toyota Corolla, Washington plate number CBZ4745. Suspect is possibly heading to Mexico. If you have any information related to this incident, please contact the West Richland Police Department at 509-628-0333 or call 911.